도착 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래.
What's up, guys? Hi! I see your beautiful faces. I can see your faces. You guys are all in the kitchen. I'm so excited. So we are going to start from making kimchi with Mama O's kimchi kit. This is cabbage kimchi, but actually in Korea we have cilantro kimchi. Delicious. It's amazing with Korean barbecue. Crystal, did you taste your kimchi? How is it tasted? Yeah? Hi Brittany, do you wanna taste your kimchi and let me know how it is like? Maya, are you following okay?
Yes, I am.
I just love watching you guys. About 3/4 cup to 1 cup of kimchi. Half teaspoon. Add a little more if you want to. I just love how food can bring people together, and that's my favorite part of cooking, and I'm so glad I get to share with you guys. This is the best. And plus I get to share this my proud Korean culture with you guys, and making kimchi and showing you guys these recipes is fantastic. My favorite part of Korea that I love to visit personally is Jeonju. Jeonju is the foodie city of Korea. A lot of great Korean cuisines are from Jeonju, and if you love Korean food, Jeonju is the place to go. Their average level of the deliciousness and the flavor is like top of notch. So if you ever visit in Korea, Jeonju is the must place you need to visit. Are you guys tasting it? How is it, SF Vegan Foodie? What's your name?
It's so good. I'm Ava. Hi. It's delicious. Thank you.
Oh, Doi is ready. Look at that. Like, I see it. That's great. Amazing prep. I'm proud of you. So this way, the rice doesn't stick to your finger, and you can spread evenly like so. Kimchi right there. Ooh. Okay. I'm like really excited right now. Thank you again, KTO. And I had so much fun seeing all your beautiful people and cooking together. This is literally the best time I spent. I had so much fun.
This is my dream come true.
Bye guys.
Mine too.
Bye. Love you.
It's so good. Love you. Thank you.
I love you.
You're beautiful.